Hello everyone, nice to have you here at this 𝗬𝗲𝗿𝗀𝗀 preview show. So we are participating here in order to invite all our customers, partners, suppliers to welcome us at 𝗬𝗲𝗿𝗀𝗀 this year in September in Hanover. So as usual, we will take part of 𝗬𝗲𝗿𝗀. We are partners to 𝗬𝗲𝗿𝗀 since the beginning, so 50 years this year. The first 𝗬𝗲𝗿𝗀 we were there, so it has never been a question of coming or not come to 𝗬𝗲𝗿𝗀. It's a place definitely we want to be, we have to be, and it's the place to meet our customers, our suppliers. So this year again we will be there. We will show about 10 machines. So from small 2-axis lathe, 3-axis lathe, 3-axis milling machine, and also some new machines we will introduce for the first time on the European market. For example, ATM 200, which is a vertical turn mill center, as well as 𝗵𝗿𝗿𝗀𝗀, an horizontal milling center with pallet changer. Then we will introduce as well Tachyon 4 5-axis, very dynamic, agile and accurate 5-axis machines with a 200mm dia, so mainly dedicated for medical segment, watchmakers, and very accurate mechanical parts. And then the main thing we will show in terms of machine is the MTX 300. So MTX 300 is a big multitasking machine dedicated for aerospace component like landing gear, such kind of stuff, and the defense market as well. Then of course we'll have more traditional machines we already introduced some years back. 3-axis vertical machines, milling machines with automations, up to big 5-axis machines like KX100 that we are showing several times on 𝗬𝗲𝗿𝗀 because it's a machine very versatile, enabling to be supplied as well for mold and die makers, but for aerospace as well, and defense market. So we have a batch of machines that we want to show in order to address all the segments we are used to address and continue to progress in terms of market shares. That was regarding the products. Then we have also the options for controllers that we have developed, our own solutions that we will show live on machines, and that's options for secure the machinings by avoiding any collision risks, by for example improving the lifetime of the tools, by improving the roughing operations. In fact, all these developments have been made in order to have the machine more autonomous and more intelligent by herself, rather than the operators, where we all know that it's becoming difficult to have operators for everyone. So that's what we want to show. We are inviting everyone to come. We'll be happy to have all the people here on our booth in September at 𝗬𝗲𝗿𝗀. I remember hall 15. So welcome all, and see you in Hanover.